Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing well. How about you?
What are you doing these days?
I'm studying and working on a few projects. What about you?
How was your day?
It was busy. I finished all my work before lunch, and then I attended two meetings.
What are you doing these days?
These days, I'm focusing on my work, learning English, and spending time with my family.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, and on weekends, I wake up around 11 a.m. because I don't have any work to do.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do some light stretching, and sometimes I go for a short walk.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have eggs, bread, oats, sandwich, fruit, and a cup of tea, coffee, or milk.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. In weekends, cooking is relaxing, and I like trying simple recipes, but in normal days, it's quite hard because I am too tired after work.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice because it's delicious and healthy.
Which subject do you like the most when you were in school?
I enjoy English the most because I like learning new words and improving my speaking skills.
Why do you want to improve your English?
Because English helps me communicate with people from different countries and gives me better opportunities.
How do you practice English every day?
I watch English videos, read short articles, learn new vocabulary, and speak in English whenever I can.
Do you make mistakes while speaking English?
Yes, sometimes I do, but I don't worry because mistakes help me learn.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading because I learn something new from every book.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling and exploring new places.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter because the weather is cool and comfortable.
What's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to become successful, help my family, and keep learning new skills.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Spending time with my loved ones and achieving my goals makes me happy.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I listen to music, take a walk, or talk to someone I trust.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea because it's light and refreshing, and it is easy to make.
What advice would you give to someone learning English?
Practice every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes and keep speaking with confidence.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Sometimes, but I try not to use it for too long.
Before we finish, may I ask you a few interesting questions?
My parents inspire me the most because they work hard and always support me.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
Never give up, even when things become difficult.
Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
I prefer mornings because I feel fresh and energetic.
What do you usually do when you have free time?
I usually read books, watch English videos, or listen to music.
What's one skill you want to improve?
Yes, I do. Learning new words in English, it helps me grow and become more confident.
What does success mean to you?
To me, success means being happy, achieving my goals, and making my family proud.
It smells amazing.
Thank you. I made it with love.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, please cut the tomatoes.
Sure. I'm be happy to.
Thank you. Your help makes everything easier.
Anything else?
Please chop some garlic too.
Down. What should I do now?
Please pass me the salt.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Is the pasta ready?
Just 2 more minutes.
I'm very hungry.
Be patient.
Okay. I'll wait. We'll enjoy the meal together when it's ready.
Absolutely. Food always tastes better when we eat together.
The kitchen smells really good.
I'm trying a new recipe today.
What's special about it?
I'm making creamy garlic chicken with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Can I help?
Sure. Could you wash the vegetables for me?
Of course. Which ones?
The broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers.
Down. Should I cut them too?
Yes, but make the pieces about the same size
Why does the size matter?
because they'll cook evenly.
What's in this bowl?
This is the sauce. I mixed fresh cream, butter, roasted garlic, black pepper, a little oregano, and a pinch of salt. These ingredients create a smooth, rich, and creamy flavor.
It smells amazing.
Thanks. Now, could you stir the sauce? Slowly? Stirring gently keeps it smooth and prevents it from sticking to the bottom of the pan.
Like this.
Yes, that's perfect. You're doing a great job. Just keep stirring slowly so the sauce stays creamy and doesn't splash.
Good thing you warned me.
It has happened to me before, so I learned that lesson the hard way.
Now should I add the vegetables?
Yes, go ahead. Add them one by one and gently mix them into the sauce so every piece is coated with the creamy mixture.
Why not all at once?
If you put everything in at the same time, the pan becomes overcrowded. The vegetables will release too much water. Release too much water instead of cooking properly, and they won't have the best texture.
I'm learning a lot today.
I'm glad to hear that. Cooking becomes much easier once you understand the little techniques behind each step. Instead of just memorizing a recipe,
How do you know when the chicken is ready?
I cut into the thickest piece to make sure it's fully cooked inside. The meat should be white, the juices should run clear, and the outside should have a nice golden color. That's a useful tip. It also helps keep the chicken juicy. Overcooking can make it dry, so timing is very important.
Let's taste the sauce.
Sure, go ahead and tell me honestly what you think. If it needs a little more salt or pepper, we can still adjust.
I think it needs a little more salt.
I agree. Just a small pinch should be enough. We don't want the salt to overpower the creamy flavor.
Done.
Perfect! Now everything tastes balanced. Let's plate the food while it's still hot because it always tastes better.
It's fine now, let's serve it.
Okay, let's go.